Want to know something wild? Wetlands store more carbon than any other ecosystem on Earth. Yep, these muddy, squelchy places. They're like the planet's giant sponge, soaking things up, cooling things down, and quietly doing some very important work. And wetlands are bursting with life. They're where tadpoles wiggle, baby fish dart, and tiny creatures get their start. And for birds on epic journeys, wetlands are an all-you-can-eat buffet after flying halfway across the world. And wetlands help keep our water clean too. They slow it down, filter out the yucky stuff, and send it on its way, freshened up and ready to go. And when big weather rolls in, wetlands, they don't panic. They soak up floods, soften storms, and help protect our coastlines, holding water when there's too much and saving it when there's not enough. But here's the thing, wetlands are the most threatened ecosystem on the planet. Since the beginning of the last century, 64% of the world's wetlands have disappeared. And in many places, they're still disappearing 3 times faster than forests. Wetlands aren't just cool, they're essential. They're crucial to the survival of wildlife. They play a necessary role in the water cycle. They're impressive carbon sinks, and not to mention, they soften the impacts of storms. And that's why protecting wetlands is one of humanity's most important jobs. First Nations people have lived out this stewardship for thousands of years, attentive to what the land and waters are telling them. From maintaining biodiversity to protecting critical water sources. Over the course of generations upon generations, they've developed traditional ecological knowledge that reflects a deep connection and insight into how to truly care for land and water. So, here are some top tips for caring for your local wetlands. Swap out the harmful cleaning chemicals for eco-friendly ones. What goes down your drain matters. Take the stand against development in wetlands. These places are so precious. Keep your dogs out of the wetlands. That's what dog parks are for. Okay, this one's a favorite. Join a local Bushcare or Landcare group and plant native vegetation to create shelter and food for wildlife. And finally, appreciate the wetlands. They're not blocking the view, they are the view. So today on World Wetlands Day, let's appreciate our swamps, marshes, mangroves and bogs, and the incredible cultural knowledge that protects them. Because muddy places aren't just messy, they're magic, and they carry stories.